I, Willie Carl Kiboy Sibayan, a graduate with a master's degree in civil engineering, am excited to apply for the position of professor at your university. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed a strong foundation in civil engineering principles coupled with a passion for teaching and mentorship. With a deep understanding in structural analysis, construction management, and sustainable design practices, I am well equipped to impart valuable knowledge and insights to aspiring engineers. My hands-on experience to industrial softwares, software and my involvements in research projects have equipped me with practical skills and innovative approaches that I am eager to share with my students. I am committed to fostering a dynamic and innovative learning environment where students are empowered to explore, excel, and innovate. By combining my academic background with my enthusiasm for teaching, I am confident in my ability to inspire new engineers and contribute to the academic excellence of your prestigious university.